Hello everyone. Now in this video we will solve this radical equation. Now radical equation is an equation in which there is a radical on the variable. Now in this equation the variable is x. So we have to solve this radical equation by isolating x. Now since x is with 6 under this cube root, and then there is also a 4 on the left side of the equation. So the first step is to get rid of this 4. So we do that by subtracting 4 from both sides. So the 4's on the left side cancel each other out, and we are left with cube root of x minus 6 equals, so 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 2. Now this is a cube root because there is this 3 on this radical sign. Now next we have to get rid of this cube root because we cannot isolate x without getting rid of this cube root. So we should cube both sides. So by doing this, the cube root and the cube cancel each other out, and we are left with x minus 6 equals the cube of negative 2. So cube means we have to multiply negative 2 by itself 3 times. So if you are allowed to use a calculator, you can do this calculation in your calculator. And if you have to do this manually, you can even write it out like this. And when you multiply these 3 negative 2's, we get negative 8. So on the right side, we have negative 8. We have to get rid of this negative 6. Add 6 to both sides. So if we add 6 to both sides, the 6's on the left side cancel each other out. So we are left with x equals negative 8 plus 6, which is equal to negative 2. Now we should do a check. We should check if this is a valid solution. So we can do the check on the side. So for the check, we should sub in x as negative 2 in the given radical equation. So we get 4 plus then cube root of negative 2 minus 6 equals 2. Now we can combine the terms under the cube root. So the 4 stays as it is. So it becomes cube root of negative 8 equals 2. Cube root of negative 8 is equal to negative 2. So you can do this calculation in your calculator, or if you have to do this calculation manually, so you can break up negative 8. So negative 8 can be written as negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Now, since there are 3 negative 2's under the cube root, so we can cancel out the cube root and we just get negative 2. So these 3 negative 2's come out as a single negative 2. Now we just have to do 4 plus negative 2, which is equal to 2. So we are left with 2 on both sides of the equation. The left side is equal to the right side. So x equals negative 2 is a valid solution for this radical equation. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.